Di, this is your animal huntress coming to you from South Florida at the Haulover Inlet on Biscayne Bay along the Atlantic Sea coast. And this little green heron is looking for an easy dinner. However, the fish in this net are beyond his grasp. But nonetheless, he's trying. You've got to give the little guy credit for that. Must be very frustrating to see fish floating and fish swimming beneath his feet, but he can't figure out how to get to them. We are also being visited by the very large and mighty scavenger called tarpon. These fish can grow to 6 to 8 feet long, and they love hanging around the charter fish docks because when the captain cleans the fish, he throws the scraps into the water and the tarpon have an easy feast. This is your animal huntress, bidding this little green heron good luck. Fare thee well.